Welcome to my channel. My name is Dennis Isong, and today I'm taking you on a drive to a very cheap farmland in Epe. So if you're looking for a farmland in Lagos that you can start using for farming, then this video is for you. But before that, do this for me. Like this video, click on the bell notification, and also subscribe to this channel so I don't miss any of my content. One more thing, I have a target of getting 1,000 subscribers this month, and I want you to be among my subscribers. Kindly subscribe to this channel. I want to officially welcome you to this my channel, where you will get information about property, about good deals that I know you will love. Please kindly subscribe now. Once again, you're welcome. We are taking a drive all the way from Epe entrance. If you observe on the video, immediately we enter Epe, we took our left. And that route we took is called the Ikorodu Epe road. Then after driving for just a few distance, we take our right, and which is the road where we are now. And this road is called Epe Road. This particular junction we just got to now, that is the junction where we go to branch to the Epe Ijebode Road. This is where the farmland is. This farmland is in this axis. And let me tell you a brief about this farmland. This farmland is called the HIGHBRIDGE FARMCITY. Currently, it's going for 550,000 naira. It has freehold, free from every government challenge, free from government does not have any eye in this farmland. This particular settlement is basically for farming. With 550,000 naira, you can actually get a plot in this estate, and a plot in this estate is going for 600 square meter. That is what you will get if you buy into this farmland. Farm products are becoming expensive every single day, and if you tap into getting a farmland, you will surely benefit from it. There are so many things you can do with this farmland. You can farm a normal crop, you can farm long time crop, you can do piggery, you can rear any type of animal you want, you can do fishing, you can even do poultry in this farmland. So this is the entrance of the farmland. This road straight leads to the farmland. From the point where we enter this particular street, this video will not be edited. It will just be, I want you to see the distance from the express, from that Epe Ijebode Road to the farmland. And also, this road straight also leads to the Epe Ikorodu Road. Don't forget to like this video, turn on the bell notification, and also subscribe to this channel. This straight road leads all the way from Epe Ijebode Road down to Epe Ikorodu Road. This same road, and this same road leads all the way to the farmland. Immediately we branch this road, this particular road. The video at this point will not be edited. I actually want you to see the distance from the express down to the farmland. I want you to see the real distance, so I will not cut or edit any part at all. Just follow me, let's go through this drive together.
90s at Sangotedo, I bought 2 plots of land for 80,000 naira, 40,000 naira per one. But do you know what's happening today? 20 million per plot now, 17 million in some other places, 15 million in some other places. I advise you, anywhere they show you land.
That video is a video of a man who actually bought land a couple of years ago, and is doing a video by himself to tell people that land is an asset which you cannot play with. Land cannot depreciate. It is surely keep on increasing in value. This particular land which you are getting for 550, I am very sure at the end of this year you can never get it for 550. One good thing about property, about land, is even if you buy today and want to sell tomorrow, you surely have profit on it. You can never go at a loss, especially if you get a property in a very good location. And Epe happened to be one of the prime locations currently in Lagos. The good part is the road that is linking Epe, for instance, the one from Elekon down to Epe, is currently under a 6-lane construction. The governor was there a couple of days ago to go and check the progress. The road is on expansion, which means from Elekon down to Epe, that road will be expanded to 6-lane, which will make the access to Epe more accessible. That is not even all. From Elekon down to Ebramedesonya, by this year also, another construction will start. The second phase of the construction from Elekon down to Ebramedesonya, there will be another road expansion. In Epe, you can actually come in through the Lekki-Epe Expressway. You can also come into the Epe-Jebode Road. You can also come in through the Ikorodu Road. So in Epe, you have about 3 or more than that entrance and exit. So it's not a one drive in. You can come in through the Lekki-Epe Expressway, the Ikorodu-Epe Expressway, or the Epe-Jebode Expressway. These are different entrance and exits of Epe. That is one thing that makes Epe unique. And also, so many estates are coming into Epe. So many estates are coming into Epe because of the uniqueness of Epe. A land you buy 2 years ago in Epe at a very affordable price, today will be like double of or more than that the price. So like this one you're buying today, which is 550, just like I said earlier, I'm very, very sure that by the end of this year you can never get it at that price again. The purpose of this video is to make you see the distance of this particular farmland. This road is actually motorable. It is still an earth road as you see in the video. I'm right here in HIGHBRIDGE Farm, right in Epe. If with the rate at which things are going on in Nigeria, with the herdsmen and every other thing, you need a safer place to do a farming. You need to start farming because you actually need it. Right here in Epe, I have a very affordable farmland for you, which you can actually get. It's actually along the Epe Bejuleki axis, and it's still under Epe town. It's still under Epe, less than 10 minutes away from the Epe town itself. So this is actually a very good one for you to get. It's actually called HIGHBRIDGE Estate in Epe. If you check down, you see a tank. Other people are already farming there. You see a tank over there. People are already farming. People are already farming at the extreme end there. Over here, they've already planted some crop there. This is rainy season, so the owner of this particular one has already planted corn already and some other crop. So waiting for it to grow for harvest. So you're looking for a farm which you can get in Lagos. I would recommend you call me now. Let me bring you to this estate. It's a farmland. It's a farmland, and I strongly recommend that you get this. So I want you to call the number on the screen now. I would like to bring you to this farm city in Epe. Once again, welcome to the HIGHBRIDGE Farm City in Epe. It's actually along the Epe Jebode Road in Epe. So come in, let me bring you to this estate. My name is Dennis Song, and I thank you for always coming to my channel. I appreciate it.
So when are you buying?
You see, young man, I don't really know what you're talking about. I don't see it developing in the next 5 years, you see. Where is this place?
The same land I showed you 2 years ago.
Wow. So, can I still get a land? Yes. Let me just transfer you the 1.2 million now.
No! A plot of land here now worth 25 million naira.
Can help you get a genuine land in Lagos, Nigeria. That will appreciate very fast and also prevent you from falling into land scam or land fraud. Contact me now.